Hey, what's up, family? This video that I just filmed, it was quite a pricey and honestly a really stupid mistake. The jet ski I'm taking apart right now, you'll see in the content, I could have cooked the motor. I'm not too sure. You'll just have to see for yourself. I gotta diagnose it. Not too sure if it's gonna be okay. Hope you guys enjoy the video. 1,000 subscribers. We're doing a huge giveaway. And cross my fingers and hope this jet ski's all right. All loaded up, ready to hit the water. Let's go. What's up, guys? You see me loading up the jet skis. We are out on the lake now with our boy Hennick.
It's good, boys.
We got the fucking Spark. We got the good old reliable Wave Runner. And we're gonna see what the Spark can do today. We got a kneeboard. We got the wakeboard. It's subpar temperature. I think it's like 50 degrees out right now. We got the wetsuits on. We're gonna see what's happening.
Yes, sir, boys.
Hennick's gonna whip me and see what happens, boys. Let's just get in the water and see if I can get up. Alright, to say that was a success, definitely was. I am down 2 broken jet skis now. One flipped and filled with water. This one's got a huge rattle now, so I don't know what that's all about. All of the day though, we had some fun.
Yeah, fucking great day.
Great day on the water. These jet skis are both broken now, so if you want to see a video of me fixing them, or trying to, let me know down in the comments. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.